Okay, folks, let's talk about deleting apps on Podio. Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I want to delete an app? Isn't it easier just to hide it? But trust me, there are times when you might need to delete an app. Whether it's because you're no longer using it, it's outdated, or it's causing conflicts with other apps. So how do we do it? Well, let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Locate the app you want to delete. First, you need to find the app you want to delete. You can do this by going to your app dashboard. This is the page where all your apps are listed. Step 2. Click on the wrench icon. Once you've found the app you want to delete, click on the wrench icon that's located next to the app's name. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Select Delete App. In the drop-down menu, select Delete App. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to delete the app. Step 4. Type Delete this app. To confirm that you want to delete the app, type Delete this app in the text box that appears. Then click on the Delete button. Step 5. Confirm the deletion. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to delete the app and all of its contents. Click on the Delete button again to confirm. And that's it. The app is deleted. Additional tips. You can only delete apps that you created or that you have admin permissions for. If you delete an app, all of its contents will be deleted as well. This includes any data that you've entered into the app. You can't undo the deletion of an app. So there you have it. How to delete apps on Podio. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.